Best apps for AI video. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is known for its user-friendly interface and AI-driven technology that transforms text content into engaging videos. It's great for creating social media videos, explainer videos, and more. Adobe Premiere Pro / After Effects. While not solely an AI-powered platform, Adobe's Creative Cloud suite includes AI features in Premiere Pro and After Effects that can enhance video editing capabilities, such as auto-reframing and content-aware fill. InVideo offers a range of AI-powered features for video creation, including intelligent video editing, templates, and an easy-to-use interface suitable for creating marketing videos, ads, and social media content. Animoto is a popular platform for creating marketing videos, slideshows, and social media videos using AI-driven technology to assist in the video creation process. Biteable is known for its simplicity and a wide range of templates, making it easy to create videos for social media, ads, and more using their AI-driven platform. Vidnami, formerly Content Samurai. Vidnami is an online tool that uses AI to create professional-looking videos from text-based content. It's particularly useful for creating quick marketing videos and presentations. Leonardo AI offers features that enable users to create customized visuals using AI technology. These visuals may include images, videos, and other multimedia content optimized for different marketing channels.